Devkund trek that we did in September 2022. We started early in the morning by 5:30 from Pune. It was all nice and green on the way to the Tamini Ghat. We stopped for a while on the top of the ghat to enjoy the mesmerizing views of the white clouds in the valley below. As we entered the thick clouds, it was pleasure drive down the Tamini Ghat. We reached the parking area of Devkund Trek by 8:30, which is located in Bira Patus village. It is a moderate level trek which follows Kundalika river. On the way, one has to cross beautiful water streams flowing from the mountains. After about 1.5 hours of walk, we reached the breathtaking waterfall site. The overall trail is very beautiful, which offers the great views of rugged Sahyadri Mountains.